friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we'll show you some camera tips and tricks you can try out on the Xiaomi's Mi A3. While the Xiaomi Mi A3 is under the Android One platform, that means the software is the stock Android, but Xiaomi has used the MIUI camera app on the Mi A3. That means you get a lot of additional features unlike the stock camera app. There are a lot of features to offer. So in this video we'll show you some tips and tricks you can try out on the Mi A3's camera app. So let's take the camera app. So opening up, you can see that this is the familiar camera app we have seen on any Redmi smartphone, and you can see that the top portion has HDR mode. There is also AI mode included, so we'll just have a closer look. So there is HDR mode, there is AI mode. Then if you select this, you can see some filters at the bottom, so you can change with filters. So a lot of filters are included. If you have this black and white filter also included here, so if you want to take black and white photos, you can do that from here. Then if you go to the settings here, so here we have some additional and useful features. One is you can change the camera frame, which is 3:4 right now. You can go with full screen option as well, and there is also option for 48 megapixel camera. This is important because this is having the Sony's IMX586 sensor, which is a 48 megapixel sensor. By default it takes pictures in 12 megapixel resolution, but if you want the 48 megapixel mode, you can just toggle it here. So now you can see that 48 megapixel is in action here. You can see that on the display you get the 48 megapixel mode. Now 48 megapixel mode does not have the HDR mode, and this takes pictures in higher resolution, and the image size is also higher. Now if you want, there is also Google Lens available. So if you want to detect this, you can just go here, and Google Lens will turn on this. You can use the camera to detect subjects. So we'll just show you something. So here you can see that the Android logo, we have taken a picture, and you can see similar results from the Google Lens. So that's a useful feature available here, so you can use Google Lens from there. Now if you go to the bottom section, we have this night mode enabled. So night mode is basically you get multiple exposures into one single picture, getting you the best shot for the night mode. So that can be toggled from here. Then we have the pro mode, where you can adjust white balance, shutter speed, ISO, and lens. You can go here. So those things are included here. That's the pro mode. Then if you come to the normal photo mode, so here at the bottom section we have 1x to 10, that means the regular photo. If we just slide here, you can see that this is 0.6x. This means the wide angle camera is right now in action. The 8 megapixel wide angle camera is in action when it is 0.6x. Then you can also go with 2x. This is a digital zoom. It's not an optical zoom, it's a digital zoom, but you can go to 2x with this. So that's the option available with the camera. Now let's go to the settings. We'll just select the settings, and here we have a few options to customize. One is that you can turn on the watermark in case you need watermark. Then there is some additional options like volume shutter button function. So you can see that volume button function, you can go for shutter countdown, you can go with the zoom, you can go with volume, or the shutter, that means taking picture, that can be selected from here. Then you can set the picture quality as high, standard, or low. Based on that the picture will be taken. And if you go to the video recording mode, so let's go to the video recording and go to the settings. So here we can see that the video quality maximum supported is 4K Ultra HD, 30 FPS is supported. You can go with the full HD 30 FPS and 60 FPS also included. And the front camera can also take videos in 1080p resolution, which can also be selected from here. So these are some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the Xiaomi Mi A3's camera, which is basically a MIUI camera with a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, and you can try getting better pictures from the Mi A3. So that's it for this video. This is Numal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.